push you to grow into ways you never expected. One of the most powerful lessons I've learned is that strength comes not just from dreaming, but from lifting others up. My journey has taken me to places where I've worked with children in challenging environments, helping them find joy and hope through play and learning. It's shown that real impact comes when we help others see their own potential and give them the tools to shine. For me, life is about fully exploring, growing, learning something new every day, and empowering others to do the same. Now, as Miss Universe Nepal, I carry not just my dreams, but the dreams of so many who have been told that their voice is too small or their dreams too big. Together, we are here to take that first step towards something greater because when we rise stronger and we rise together.